Okay, so I accidentally slept for 2.5 hours and it is now 1:52. I woke up at like 7 because my friend texted me and I woke up and I was like, okay, let's get this, be productive. And then crashed around like 11. I feel a lot better, making coffee, got stuff to do now, but interesting use of my day, to be frank. Over the last couple years in my video production freelancing journey, most of the work that I've had to do is, outdoors at events or run a gun in places where I can't use lighting. Now, because of this, I haven't had to spend that much money on lighting, which is, really nice because lighting isn't cheap. It's one of those things that I just haven't wanted to spend money on, to be completely honest. It's snowing outside right now, which is amazing. I said it was supposed to be warmer, not snow, and then it snows. I'm gonna talk about my new bag from Douchebags. I really like this bag. This is their older bag, the original backpack, but I got the CIA Pro camera insert in it, so it fills the whole bag. Super cool bag. I'm gonna talk about this in a couple minutes, but I'm gonna talk about kind of the problem that I had with ordering the bag and some of that too, and some of the perks and stuff. That'll be in a minute. I just got this package from Amazon, and I have no idea what this package is. Oh, I know what this is. Ah, cool. They had a free hat in one of the beer cans, so you just order it. That's nice. Okay, so this is the bag that I purchased for my 2020 camera bag. It is, in fact, the Douchebags The Backpack. Now, to start off with a review of this bag, a slight review. I don't really love the name. You don't really want to go to a camera shoot with a bag that says Douchebags. They have a bunch that just say Douchebags down the side. Branding and everything is amazing. The name is just very weird. This is the original backpack. They have a newer backpack and a backpack pro. I went with this one because it was on sale. It was only $125 Canadian, and I bought the CIA insert, which was only $100. So I was gonna put off buying my camera bag until this pandemic settles down because I don't really need one right now. But I saw this was on sale and I was like, you know what, let's go for it. I'm happy I did, but there's a couple problems that I'm gonna talk about after I talk about the bag that I had with the company itself when getting the bag. This bag is really nice. I usually would go with something a little bit more minimal, like a black or something, but the scarlet red, which this color was the one that was on sale. So I went with it. Have up to a 16 or a 15-inch laptop sleeve on the back. It's not very padded, so I'm gonna be upgrading to the 16-inch MacBook Pro soon. Little worried about how padded this is, but I think it'll be fine. There's more padding along this material in the back to help wick away sweat. The back straps are very light. I would have liked to see more padding here, but I actually really like the material that they used. It looks like it'll stick to your body pretty well. And it's this kind of memory foam material that's really comfortable actually. So, maybe that material kind of takes away from how much padding it needs. I actually really like the design. It has this awesome expandable water bottle pouch, which will literally almost fit any water bottle, I feel like. And then this strap to hold it up top. I have a 16-inch Corksicle water bottle. There is almost no bag ever that fits this water bottle. It's huge. This stretches in such a way that it actually fits. The one thing I'm concerned about is this sharp part is gonna rip this stretching, which it might. So we'll see in the long-term holdup, and then this will just clamp that together. I really like this design. I think this was so smart. Just a little worried that this is gonna rip. You have these latches and stuff. I think that you could hook up the CIA Pro and CIA camera inserts to the outside of this bag. Not too sure about that. You have compression straps, and then you have a nice open pocket on the top. Build quality in this bag is amazing. So the whole design is that you flip it down and you open it like such. You have a clamshell opening, which I love, and then you have your camera insert. Now, I ordered the CIA camera insert, which is supposed to go about to here, and I got the CIA Pro, which just fits in the bag, but I have no room to put anything else. And the reason that I ordered the CIA was so I'd have room to put stuff in here. Now, I'm happy I got the more expensive camera insert by accident, but also a little frustrated because I wanted the regular camera insert. This is all like really well built. I don't exactly know what I'm gonna put in here yet. I'm just kind of starting to sort this out. And then I filled out the camera insert, which is a really nice camera insert. So you could take this camera insert out, which is really cool. You fold this part of this up, and then this clamshells back together, and you could take the whole camera insert out of the bag so you could use the bag for something else. Now this dual functionality is really cool and it works very well. The inside of the bag also has this mesh liner which you could put more stuff in. So I could probably fit like a shirt or something on the sides if need be. Now I was looking for something smaller and affordable that could just be my camera bag, because if I'm traveling I'll usually have a camera bag as my day bag, and then I'll have like a travel backpack to have all my clothes in. So clothes aren't a big issue, but you know, it's nice to throw a sweater in your bag once in a while, and I can't really do that with this bag. So the way that I look at this will be my daily camera bag.
This is ridiculous.
It was sunny out like an hour ago, and now it's sunny and snowy. I have no idea. Holy shit! Like, it's just coming down like crazy, snowing and sunny, and it's like melting in the air, but still snowy and still flaky. I don't even know what's real anymore. Like, it's like we're in some simulation. 2020 is just not anybody's year. But in good news, I just got asked to send a proposal for a bank here that want to do a video that I proposed to them, so that's really good. I'm gonna go finish up some of my studying that I was doing and then write that proposal, send it off to them. Then I think I'm done for the day. I'm not feeling very inspired to do much else right now, to be completely honest. Okay, I'm sorry, and now literally I just came, sat down, turned off my camera, looked outside, and all of that's gone. I don't get this weather. It's been doing this on and off all the time, and it makes no sense. Like, I just showed how much snow there was, and now there's nothing. I don't get it.